Here's are 20 habits that make any man look less attractive and how to fix them. Number 1. Poor hygiene. Not showering regularly, bad breath, or body odor instantly kills attractiveness. Number 2. Neglecting your health. Dirty, dry, or unstyled hair affects your overall appearance. Number 3. Poor communications. Interrupting, shouting, or speaking without clarity makes you unattractive. Number 4. No ambitions. A man without purpose looks dull, no matter how handsome he is. Number 5. Not taking care of your teeth. Teeth or bad breath turn people away instantly. Number 6. Not drinking enough water. Dehydrations affect your skin's eyes and energy. Number 7. Bad fashion sense. Wearing clothes that don't fit or look outdated reduce your attractiveness. Number 8. Not being emotional intelligent. Acting childishly, insecure or insensitive pushes people away. Number 9. Being too available or desperate. Attractions dies when you have no boundaries or self-respect. Number 10. Proud without achievement. Too much ego and nothing to back it up is unattractive. Number 11. No self-care routines. Neglecting skills, health, mental health, and grooming reduce overall attractiveness. Number 12. Always broke but buying luxury things. Financially responsibilities looks unattractive. Number 13. Gossiping or talking too much about others. It makes you look weak and unserious.